Welcome to Help EDUCARE channel.
Dear students of Standard 4 from Maharashtra board, today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject EVS, Part 1, Chapter 4, Water Safe for Drinking. Question number 1. Which of the following substance does not dissolve completely in the water? First option, sugar. Second option, sand. Third option, salt. Fourth option, washing soda.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is sand. Question number 2. ORS is a solution of dash. First option, salt and sugar. Second option, soda and salt. Third option, soda and alum. Fourth option, sugar and alum.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is salt and sugar. Question number 3. The mixture obtained on dissolving a substance in water is called a dash. First option, vapor. Second option, gas. Third option, smoke. Fourth option, solution.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is solution. Question number 4. An eraser floats in water. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 5. The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is known as. First option, rotating. Second option, settling. Third option, distributing. Fourth option, swirling.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is settling. Question number 6. An instrument for looking at very small things which we cannot see with our naked eyes is called dash. First option, magnifying glass. Second option, telescope. Third option, binoculars. Fourth option, microscope.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is microscope. Question number 7. Alum powder does not dissolve in water. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 8. Which of the following is not the example of a solution? First option, ORS. Second option, saline. Third option, sawdust. Fourth option, vinegar.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is sawdust. Question number 9. A substance called dash is swirled in muddy water to help clean the water. First option, sugar. Second option, salt. Third option, alum. Fourth option, washing soda.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is alum. Question number 10. Tea leaves can be separated from tea by filtration. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 11. Straining muddy water to make it clean is called dash. First option, settling. Second option, filtration. Third option, litration.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is filtration. Question number 12. Easiest way to kill harmful microorganisms is by dash water. First option, settling. Second option, swirling. Third option, boiling. Fourth option, cooling.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is boiling. Question number 13. Microorganisms cannot live in water. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is false. Question number 14. Microorganisms are present dash. First option, in water only. Second option, in soil only. Third option, on rocks only. Fourth option, anywhere and everywhere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is anywhere and everywhere. Question number 15. Water becomes dash when it is clean. First option, transparent. Second option, muddy. Third option, colored.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is transparent. Question number 16. Water that is safe for drinking is called dash water. First option, muddy. Second option, potable. Third option, salty. Fourth option, colored.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is potable. Question number 17. If muddy water remains still, a sediment is formed at its bottom. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 18. What is taste of seawater? First option, sweet. Second option, bitter. Third option, salty.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is salty. Question number 19. The microorganisms present in yogurt or buttermilk are dash for us. First option, useful. Second option, harmful.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is useful. Question number 20. Things that sink in water are dash the net. First option, lighter. Second option, heavier.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is heavier.
Thank you for watching Help Educare channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.